As organizations work to help the victims of Hurricane Harvey, another storm is barreling toward the U.S.
Hurricane Irma slamming Puerto Rico right now. It is a Category 5 storm with 185-mile-an-hour winds and a devastating surge. Rescue operations are already preparing for the worst. And News Channel 15's Rob Leidick joins us live with an update on how some local businesses are planning to help. Rob.
That's right, Brett and Heather. A lot of local places are getting involved. At 5 o'clock, I told you about here at the Salvation Army on North Clinton Street. You can drop off non-perishable food items from 8:30 to 7 on weekdays. And if you've been to the area Kroger stores, you've also seen how you can help out with those impacted from Hurricane Harvey. There's a scan option there where you can donate money to the American Red Cross. That is directed directly to help those affected by Hurricane Harvey. The Kroger Cares campaign is happening in all of the Kroger stores, nearly 2,800 of them in the U.S. In the 18 stores in our district, they've raised about $5,800 as of this afternoon. Now, already some of Harvey's impacts have happened here in Northeast Indiana and Northwest Ohio. Notably, gas prices, they're up around $2.60 a gallon right now. Irma is expected to impact Florida this weekend as perhaps one of the strongest storms they've ever seen. Preparations are already underway there. Thousands have been told to evacuate. I've talked to the folks with Kroger today, and according to them, plans are in place to prevent food and gas supply interruptions here in our area. The Kroger Cares campaign will continue to direct funds through the Red Cross to help those who may be impacted by Irma.
Yeah, we're going to continue to accept those donations. You know, right now, obviously, we don't know what that path 100% looks like as far as with Irma, but we're keeping a close eye on that, and our goal would obviously to be able to help those across the nation also.
Again, you can donate amounts of $1, $3, $5 or more at checkout at all area Kroger stores, and you can donate your non-perishable food items, baby supplies, and also those toiletry items here at the Salvation Army headquarters on North Clinton Street here in Fort Wayne.